Welcome. There is a lot, a lot of information is being covered in this video. When I did a bit of a research, there are not many videos out there on the YouTube platform that explains all the accounting concept in one video. But I rather found more videos which explain each individual topic separately. The problem is, as a user who is new to the accounting world, will have to connect the missing dots, and a whole lot of time would be wasted trying to figure out what comes first, what comes next, and what is the order of events that happen in the accounting world. So to simplify things for you, I've created this video that will put everything in perspective without any gaps. And you're going to learn the entire accounting concepts in this video right from the beginning till the end without skipping any key concept. And for the ones who are new to the accounting world, someone who is trying to brush up the skills, this video is going to be a gold mine. And since I'm covering a lot of stuff, it's going to be a bit lengthy. But if you compare the time that you would put up in learning around the entire accounting process is minuscule compared to the time that you would be spending otherwise. So I request watch till the end and you will get to know about that. If you do not have time, I request you watch whatever time you can, and then either you can bookmark this video if you're watching it on your computer, or put it in some place where you can go back and then refer to and continue from where you've left off. And yes, please do not forget to subscribe it, and it would be a privilege for me to have you as one of my small subscriber base that I have. If you're looking out for a particular topic that you want to jump onto without having to go through all the concepts, then I would mention it in the description along with the timelines. You can go to the topic and click on the timeline and it will take you to that particular respective topic. And one good news for you is you can download this presentation that I'm using here. It's a 50 plus slide presentation and you're free to use it. And I will provide the links for you to download. Please watch till the end of this video. All right, let's get started. Let me first give you the entire overview of financial management and functional areas, and then we can drill down into the subject. If you look at the screen, the financial functions are primarily divided into two branches. One, corporate finance, and two, accounting and control. The sub-branch that we're going to deal with is financial accounting under accounting and control function, which I have highlighted in yellow here. If you're looking for a solid career in financial world, like becoming a chartered accountant or a chief financial officer, etc., then you should have a grip on all of these functions. And under financial accounting, we would be learning all of these. And for us to get even to this point, there are a lot of basics and important elements of accounting that need to be explained, which I have covered in this video in detail. I've structured this video in an easy to grasp manner with the help of mind maps. The good thing is I'm going to keep this breakdown structure intact while I explain things so that you won't lose the context and it will be easier for your learning. So here is the mind map. I'm dividing basics of accounting video into three parts. The first part is understanding accounting. Then I will take you through the elements of accounting and the entire accounting process. Each part is further divided into subsections to make them logically fit together. So if you look at the screen, understanding accounting is divided into 5 subparts. And then we have elements of accounting, which is divided into 3 subparts. And then the accounting process is divided into 6 subparts. As I just explained, these subparts are further divided into smaller parts until all the process related activities are covered and explained. Now, if I expand all the pieces here, it does not fit the screen, but I will expand as we move along.